Hello everyone, so let's talk about how to use Google Assistant with Sonos. So basically, first of all, it's not available in all countries and regions. So there you have it. So Google Assistant availability on Sonos are only available in these countries as for 2020. So you can see mostly Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Mexico as well, Singapore. And languages, these languages: English, Dutch, French, Danish, Italian, German, Norwegian, Spanish, and Swedish. So there you have it. If you fall into one of these regions, you can try next. So you just need to have a Sonos app for iOS and Android, and then settings tab, and then select services and add a service. So as described here, and then just add a Google Assistant. And add Google Assistant, and from Google Assistant you will need to sign into your to your Sonos account. So then from Google Assistant you're signed into your Sonos account, and then you just add music services and choose a default. So you will need to add the same music service account to both Google Assistant and Sonos. So just go to tap your profile icon on the top right, choose services music, and you can select it there. You can obviously use your Google Assistant with your Sonos speaker. After your Google Assistant has been set up, you will be given some sample commands to test with Sonos to make sure it's working properly. So there you have it. What are supported music services? YouTube Music, Google Play Music, and more. So there you have it. So super short, that's about it.